So I'll be showing you how to turn off or how to disable iCloud backups for specific apps on your phone. So by default, your iPhone will back up all the data from all the apps or from most apps on your iPhone. But if you want to turn off iCloud backups for specific apps, then here's what you do. Go to settings. On the main settings page, tap on your name at the top and then tap on iCloud. And then under iCloud, go to iCloud backup, tap on that. And then go to the device that you want to select which apps to save iCloud backup for. So for instance, I have this phone, this particular iPhone, so I'll select it here. And then I'll wait for it to populate the list of apps. So here I can see the apps that are saving data to my iCloud backup. Now if I tap on show all apps, I can actually see all the apps. Okay. Now let me select one app that I want to prevent or I want to stop from being backed up during iCloud backup. So for instance, if I don't want my WhatsApp data in the iCloud backup, all I need to do is turn that off. So just tap on that toggle button and then confirm to turn off. And now your WhatsApp data will not be included in the next iPhone backup. So you can go ahead and do that for all apps that you want to stop backing up on your iPhone. Okay. Just like that. And that's basically how to stop specific apps from being included in your iCloud backup on your iPhone. You can also do this on your iPad in case you want to stop some apps from being included in the iPad iCloud backup. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.